Hey y'all! Today's featured campground is 30A Luxury RV Resort in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. 30A is located just off of Highway 393 in Santa Rosa Beach and is just about 3 miles from the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. They have 80 campsites here with pull-throughs in the middle section and back ends on the outer perimeter. All of the sites are full hookup and on concrete pads. They have cable and Wi-Fi. Now their sites don't have a picnic table, fire ring, or a grill, things that you kind of expect at a resort style park. They also don't have any sort of dog park or pet area, and there are no pet stations. So while their website does say that they are pet friendly, what it really should say is just that dogs are allowed. Now there is grass on the site, so Miss Allie did have a place to go. They do have a pool with a community fire pit area behind it, and that's nice. They also have a clubhouse, which is the white building here on the left, and in it are the restrooms and showers as well as the laundry facilities. So I will walk over here and show y'all the laundry facilities, the clubhouse, and the restrooms. There's the clubhouse, TV, kitchen area, and they do have 2 restrooms in here. So someone had complained that there was only 1 restroom outside, but they do have 2 in here. Let's see if we can get 2 out here. By the pond. There's a restroom over here. So it has a toilet, double sinks, and 3 showers. Thing to note here, we read online there was a complaint that someone had about these doors. When you come in from the outside, you have a direct line of sight to this shower, and you can see that you can see through those frosted glass doors. So if you're coming in here to take a shower, just make sure that you lock the outside door. So they have 3 washers, 3 dryers, big folding table, a place on the floor that needs to be fixed. Just tripped over that. And this is our site. Room for the bikes, motorcycle, camping chairs. We got the grill out. Nice little concrete pad here. And still have a little room on the back. I also want to mention that in addition to being big rig friendly, there were a variety of campers here, including some van campers and a couple of little teardrop campers with their tents attached. So I do think that they seem to be flexible on the different styles that they allow here, so that's good. And while this one didn't have all of the amenities that we have come to expect from an RV style resort, it was a good choice for us for this trip just because of the location. We were looking to go to Destin and Panama City, both of which are less than 20 miles from here. I think Destin's only like 14 miles from here. So this was perfect for us this time. There were a few little annoyances that could easily be avoided if they got like a camp host on site. But all in all, we would stay here again just because of the location and the cleanliness. Now, we did do a full drive-through, but I'm not sure if it's worth putting that out as a separate video because as you can see, the sites pretty much all look the same. They're all about the same distance apart, and really the aerial shot here just kind of gives you the best view of this one. So we appreciate y'all watching today. I hope you got something out of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.